Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Shiba. This video is a special message to all Shiba holders. Wake up holders. It's a profit time, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Shiba prices are now going positive, my friends. Absolutely, the Shiba will make you millionaire in the August. My friends, let me show you the latest update, but also again I request everybody to subscribe our channel. Now the latest price here of the Shiba 0.000006 USD dollar is the latest price, and furthermore if we talk about the price changes open the Shiba, so now the last 1 hour changes is a negative 0.44%, the last 1 day changes is positive, the last 1 week changes open the Shiba is completely negative. Just only yesterday the price exploded, and except after yesterday every time the Shiba price jumps. I think from the last 1 month the Shiba price completely jumps, completely going down. So now my friends, now the special message for all Shiba holders is that now my friends, possibilities that in the beginning of a new month and the beginning of August, possibilities that the price will explode and we get a huge amount of profit. Possibilities, my friends, we can't see about the future, just possibilities. So now the message is that please buy more and more Shiba tokens. Personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token. You know what? Possibilities, my technical analysis, my price prediction is going positive about Shiba in the August month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about August? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.